If you want to set up your new Epson EcoTank ET-2840 using your smartphone or tablet, you're in the right place. In this guide, we will walk through the entire mobile setup process step by step using the Epson Smart Panel App, from unboxing and filling the ink tanks to connecting your printer to Wi-Fi. For step 1, carefully unpack your printer and gently remove all the protective tape and packaging materials from both the outside and inside of the machine. Keep in mind that you shouldn't connect the printer to a computer. Next, take the included power cord, plug it securely into the power port on the back of the printer, and then plug the other end into a wall outlet. Moving to step 2, open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device and download the Epson Smart Panel App. But keep in mind that you shouldn't open the app just yet. Next, press the power button on the printer to turn it on. And remember to leave the ink bottle sealed until you're ready to fill the tanks. Once the printer powers on, open the Epson Smart Panel app on your phone or tablet. If the app asks to connect to your network or Bluetooth, allow the permissions and follow the friendly on-screen instructions to begin setup. Now, if the app doesn't automatically detect your printer, simply tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the app's home screen, select Start Setting Up, and follow the guided setup steps. Now for step 3, the app or printer screen will prompt you to fill the ink tanks. To start filling, open the ink tank cover on the front right side of the printer and then lift open the cap for the black ink tank. Next, unpack the black ink bottle, hold it upright, and slowly unscrew the cap without squeezing or shaking the bottle. Then insert the bottle straight down into the black ink fill port. Notice that each bottle is specifically keyed to match its designated color port, so you won't have to force it. Once inserted, the ink will automatically flow into the tank and stop on its own when it reaches the upper line. After that is complete, gently lift the bottle out, close its cap, and securely snap the black ink tank cap shut. Next, repeat this exact same process for the cyan, magenta, and yellow ink tanks, making sure each bottle matches the color-coded label on the printer. Once all 4 tanks are filled, close the ink tank cover securely. Moving on to step 4, raise the control panel and select your preferred language on the printer screen if prompted. When the setup message for Epson Smart Panel appears on the printer screen, choose the option to continue setup. After that, when the screen asks you to refer to the Start Here sheet, press and hold the Help button with the question mark icon for about 5 seconds. Then press the Start button to begin the ink charging process. Keep in mind that initial ink charging takes about 11 minutes, and during this time, the power light will flash. It's very important that you do not unplug the printer, turn off the power, or open any covers while it's charging, as doing so can waste ink. Once this is done and the power light stops flashing and stays solid, press the OK button on the panel to move forward. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the print quality for crisp results. For step 5, you'll need to load paper before completing the print quality adjustment. To do this, flip the rear feeder guard forward, raise the paper support, and tilt it back slightly. Next, slide both edge guides all the way out to the sides. Then, place plain paper into the center of the rear feeder with the printable side facing up and the short edge going in first. After that, slide the edge guides inwards so they rest neatly against the paper without bending it. Once the paper is positioned, close the feeder guard, open the front cover, pull out the output tray, and raise the paper stopper. Now select your paper size and type settings on the printer screen, and then complete the remaining print quality alignment prompts. Finally, for step 6, return to the Epson Smart Panel app on your mobile device to finish connecting your printer to your home Wi-Fi network. Follow the prompts in the app to select your Wi-Fi network name and enter your Wi-Fi password if needed. Once the connection is established, your smartphone or tablet is fully connected to the printer. Keep in mind that Android users can also print directly over your Wi-Fi network using the print menu, while iOS and Android devices can use the Epson Smart Panel app as a complete control center for printing, scanning, and checking ink levels. You can even set up Epson Connect for remote cloud printing or link your printer to voice-activated smart assistants. And that's all there is to it. Your Epson EcoTank ET-2840 is completely set up via mobile and ready for all your printing needs.